Hey guys, this is Mr. Brown trying a different method today. This is lesson 12, dividing decimals by whole numbers. So we have two methods. So the first method is our base 10 method. So with our problem today that we're going to be doing, it is 53.8. So that is 5 tenths, 3 ones, and 8 tenths divided into 4 groups. And sorry, I'm writing a lot slower than I'm talking. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to draw out boxes so I can separate the 5 tenths, 3 ones, and 8 tenths into 4 different groups. Oh my goodness, guys. This might be a teacher fail on my part because apparently I'm a slow writer but a fast talker. So while I'm continuing to draw this, shoot me a comment, message me, do what you need to make sure that not me necessarily, but that you are getting what you need and that these videos are being actually helpful. If they're not, let me know and I will figure out something else to do. So I'm about finished drawing up these boxes. Yes, I used a ruler. Yes, I didn't use a ruler for the last little bit. Ha ha ha. So what I'm going to do is, so we've seen this base 10 method. We've seen it with the blocks. Didn't want to draw the blocks out. So here is what we're going to do. So we have 4 groups. We're going to then put 110 into each group, leaving effectively 110 left over. We're going to break that 110 up into 10 ones. And I'm sorry, guys. I apparently am going a lot slower than I thought I was. So 110 can get broken up into 10 ones. So we're going to add those 3 ones to the 10 ones to make it a total of 13 ones. Underneath the square, you can see that I'm doing some other math because I'm showing that, okay, so I know that if I have 4 ones, I'm going to just subtract 4 ones out of that 13 ones until I can't get a whole 4 ones left. Let's see if I can fast forward. I can't, guys. I'm sorry. I'll try and make this method a little more easier for me to do this voiceover after I record myself drawing all this stuff out. But so there you see the 13 ones minus 4 ones. So if you are working ahead, you already know that if we have 4 groups and we're trying to break 13 ones into 4 groups, that you're going to be getting 3 ones in each group, which leaves us with 1 1 left over. Oh my goodness, guys, I am sorry. While this is still, catching up to where I'm at, make sure that you're going to Prodigy, make sure that you're going to Khan Academy, and also make sure that you are going to MobyMax to get some of that extra math learning in if this is not working for you. So here we go, we're breaking up that 1 1 into 10 tenths. Remember, the first place value to the right of the decimal is our tenths place value. So we're going to do 10 tenths plus 8 tenths, which is equal to 18 tenths. If we skip count by 4, that's going to be 4, 8, 12, 16, and then 20. However, when we get to that 20, we know that goes above our 18 tenths, so then we're going to have 4 tenths in each box. And if you haven't already guessed, after we put those 4 tenths in each box, we have 2 tenths left over. So we're going to break those 2 tenths up into 20 hundredths. Oh, this is almost hard to watch while I'm recording my voiceover, guys, so please bear with me. I'm, again, trying to do my best. I'm trying to make sure that this is getting to you in an appropriate manner. However, trying my hardest. So as you can see, as I just said, 2 tenths is the same thing as writing 20 hundredths. I just continue using that skip counting by 4 method that I already drew, and knowing that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths in each group. Now I'm scrolling over, going to be going over to just write out the problem again, which is 53.8 tenths divided by 4, which is equal to 13.45 hundredths. Now, our second method that I'm going to do right now is our long division method. So with long division, we're going to write 53.8 tenths. We're going to put it into the house division symbol. I like to call it the house because I'm putting it inside. Sorry, messed up there. I did not like the way that my 3 looked. So putting it in a house, saying 53.8 tenths divided by 4. So I know that one group 4s go into 5, so then we're going to do 5 minus 4, which is 1, bring down that 3, so that is going to be 13. As I just did up there, we're going to do that skip count method again, 4, 8, 12, 16. 12 is the highest I can go under 13, so 13 minus 12 equals 1, bringing down that 8. And I forgot, but we need to put that decimal point up there. And so we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to continue on. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Sorry, I got to change my color there real quick. So then we see that there are 4 groups of 4 that go into 18, so that would be 16. So 18 minus 16 is 2. Since we don't have a number after the 8, we're going to add a 0 because there's an infinite amount of zeros behind any number to the right, not to the left. So we're going to bring that 0 down, and then we're going to say how many groups of 4 go into 20. As you can see right up there, we're writing that that's 5. So now our answer is going to be 13.45 hundredths. I hope that this video meets your well. Let me know if there's something better I can do. Peace.